Once you know what we're dealing with, contact me. We'll figure out how to stop it. Whatever they're planning, it's active and it's dangerous.
Someone's been accessing the server room without authorization, late at night, multiple times.
Derek's office, the server room, that's where the real answers are. Figure out how to get in.
$60 deaths to save tens of thousands per year. That's not murder, that's optimization.